show respect for your sensei.
Yes, Sensei O'Sullivan!
You, Moskovich! Didn't I tell you to cut that hair? You look like a sheepdog.
Sorry, Sensei.
Now, we have 2 new students today ready to begin their journey to awesomeness! You, tiny girl, step forward and tell us your name.
It's Brittany. My name? I can't.
There's no can't in karate! 10 push-ups after class!
Hey, that's not fair!
You better not be talking back to your sensei! Now, are you ready to tell us your name and participate?
I guess not.
Then why don't you go sit in the corner of disgrace and reflection and think about what kind of person you want to be? Now, am I gonna get any trouble from you?
Yeah, probably.
Excuse me? If you think I'm above fighting children, you picked the wrong dojo. What the fuck?
This PC will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2...
What the fuck?
This PC will self-destruct in 5, 4, 3, 2...
What the fuck?
This video will explode in 5 seconds. Please turn off your computer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1...
What